Hello, business enthusiasts. If you're in the plastic industry and looking for ways to streamline your operations, boost productivity, and stay ahead of the competition, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into how Odoo can be a game-changing ERP solution for your business. Let's explore how. First, let's take a closer look at the plastic industry. This sector involves everything from sourcing raw materials and production to distribution and waste management. Key challenges include managing diverse product lines, ensuring quality, optimizing production processes, and complying with regulations. Now, let's break down how Odoo's features are tailored to tackle these challenges head-on. Inventory. Odoo's inventory management capabilities allow businesses to track raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods in real time. This is crucial for optimizing stock levels, reducing carrying costs, and ensuring timely production. Production planning and control. Effective production planning and control are critical in the plastic industry. Odoo offers tools to create production schedules and optimize resource allocation, ensuring smooth operations and enhanced productivity. Quality control. Quality control is non-negotiable in our industry. Odoo's quality control module helps define quality parameters, conduct inspections, and track compliance, identifying defects early and reducing waste. Sales and distribution. Odoo's integrated sales and distribution module streamlines the order-to-cash process, facilitating faster order processing and improving customer satisfaction. Financial management. Financial health is vital for sustainability. Odoo's financial management features, including accounting, budgeting, and financial reporting, help maintain financial health and support informed decision-making. Regulatory compliance. Regulatory compliance is crucial. Odoo's compliance management tools assist in adhering to safety, environmental, and product standards by providing documentation, reporting, and audit trails. Customization and scalability. One of Odoo's standout features is its customization and scalability. Businesses can tailor the system to their unique needs, integrating third-party applications as necessary. Odoo presents a compelling ERP solution for the plastic industry, offering features that address specific challenges in inventory management, production planning, quality control, sales, financial management, and regulatory compliance. Partnership with O2B Technologies. Ready to transform your plastic industry business with Odoo? Partner with O2B Technologies today. Choose O2B Technologies as your trusted Odoo partner. We offer tailored Odoo solutions with advanced features, scalable systems, and dedicated support. Experience firsthand why we're recognized as the best Odoo company. For a personalized consultation and to learn more about our Odoo services, for more info on Odoo, visit our website www.o2btechnologies.com or contact us info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.